Hello Galaxy Station viewers, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will introduce you to a new but old app. As you can see, there is a new app update named Google Partner Setup in both of my Android devices. What is it? Google Partner Setup is a component of the Android operating system that allows device manufacturer to configure certain aspects of a phone during the initial setup process. It includes setting up the device's language, time zone, and other basic settings. While this app has been around for many years, it was not until earlier this year that Google published this particular service to the Play Store. And this Google Partner Setup received a new update that is rolling out to potentially billions of Android devices, dating as far as back to Android Oreo. The app itself is quite very small, only a few kilobytes. So you will not likely not notice any differences after installing the update. And the most important thing is Google Partner Setup app is updatable through Play Store. That means your devices can be now updated faster. You won't have to wait for a system update. And this is a Google device, so this is pre-installed by the device manufacturer to ensure proper device functionality on all Android devices with Google mobile services. It cannot be disabled, it cannot be deleted. So I suggest you update this app right now, because one way or another Google will force you to do the same. Please comment me in the comment section if you have any question regarding Google Partner Setup. In the meantime, thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.